What are extrinsic risk factors in youth sports injuries? Have you ever wondered what factors outside of an athlete's control can lead to injuries in youth sports? Understanding extrinsic risk factors is essential for keeping young athletes safe and healthy. These factors are external influences that can increase the chances of injury during sports participation. Let's break down some key elements that contribute to these risks. First, coaching and training practices play a significant role. Coaches who lack proper knowledge or providing clear instructions can lead to unsafe movement patterns. When injury prevention programs are not implemented, athletes miss out on essential training that includes exercises for strength, balance, and coordination. Additionally, skipping warm-ups or using improper training sequences can set the stage for injuries. Coaches must be well-trained to deliver effective programs to young athletes. Next, consider the playing environment. Poor field conditions, such as uneven surfaces or slippery ground, can increase injury risks. When the space for training and games is limited or inappropriate, it can create unsafe situations. Weather conditions also matter. Extreme heat or cold can affect how athletes perform and increase their chances of getting hurt. Equipment and facilities are also crucial. Using gear that is not the right size or poorly maintained can lead to injuries. Playing on fields or courts that are not designed for youth athletes can cause physical strain. For example, adult-sized fields can lead to awkward movements that increase injury risk. The structure of rules and competition can impact injury rates too. Early specialization in sports and year-round competition without adequate rest can lead to overuse injuries. When athletes feel pressure to perform at high intensity without proper training progression, they are more likely to get hurt. Finally, time and scheduling constraints can affect safety. When practice or game schedules are tight, there may not be enough time for proper warm-ups, recovery, or injury prevention exercises. Overlapping seasons or multiple teams can lead to fatigue, making injuries more likely. To address these extrinsic risk factors, coaches, parents, and young athletes can take practical steps. Coaches should be trained to deliver injury prevention programs that include strength and balance exercises. Advocating for safe playing environments and ensuring appropriate equipment sizing is essential. Supporting policies that allow for adequate rest and recovery while discouraging early specialization can make a big difference. Allocating sufficient time during practice for warm-ups and injury prevention routines is vital. Educating parents and athletes about safe training habits and the importance of recognizing when to rest is also key. By understanding and managing these extrinsic risk factors, we can help reduce injury risks and create safer, more enjoyable youth sports experiences.